Alright, travel rod, reel, lures. Let's go to England. Well, 2 flights, 1 taxi and a train ride, and we are finally back in England. Myself and the old man headed down to Chalk Springs, beautiful chalk spread trout fishery, to do a bit of fly fishing. 4 years in the making this, been waiting for this moment for 4 years. Cannot wait to flick a line out and hopefully find ourselves some rainbow trout. Let's get ourselves some fish.
Tight lines, tight lines.
Repping the Just One Last Cast fishing shirt, all the way from Australia. Fish on. Just been into the shop down there, picked up a couple new flies. Me and my dad have both not seen one of these before. This has got a little bit of copper wire running on it, so it's a nice heavy fly that'll get right down to the bottom. And a blue damsel with that one. Awesome looking fly that. That just goes straight for it, actually shot out. That's a lovely one. Lovely, lovely little rainbow. Hopefully, might be able to find some blue ones today. Beautiful fish. I'm on the board before Dad as well, that's the main thing. Beautiful fat fish that is. And that was on that little damsel. Just saw that go for it. I might have to put the GoPro on so we can see some of these strikes. Beautiful, beautiful fish. There's a trout sitting just under there. So we're going to give it a go. See if we can get onto him. Very difficult round here because we've got trees all around us. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Get that net nice and low in the water. Oh. Still got a bit of fight left in him. Beautiful. Beautiful rainbow. Just on that lovely damsel. What a fish. Beautiful. And this is not a catch and release facility, so catch and keep everything that you get. Just knock this on the head. A lovely, lovely rainbow. Beautiful, beautiful fish. I could not wait to get back to England and do a bit of fly fishing with my old man. And Chalk Springs never disappoints. This is such a special place that you can come here, you can sight cast the trout. There's a lot of overhanging structure, but if you can get that fly down to them, they will take it. Beautiful fish. Number 2 on the deck. I don't know how my old man's going, but we'll go and find out what he's like, but I reckon it might be 2-0 to Andy. I think we're going to take a break now, because we can only get 3 fish for the day. That's the maximum amount of fish that you can take. And let's go and see what the old man is up to, what fly he's chucking out, and if he's got any fish yet. He just got a bite as he was rising, just getting his fly out of the water. I saw his line twitch back down. All of these trees here are covered in flies, lion flies, all of these overhanging trees. One's sitting, not that dying one.
Yeah.
On the edge there.
Oh yeah, see. It's a little flip into him.
Right here, like a couple metres ahead of him.
This one just kept going.
Oh, I've just seen that Dad has hooked up. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to walk down the other side of the lake. We'll see what sort of fish that he's got. Fingers crossed it's not as big as one of mine. And then what we might do is have another flick down that bottom edge near some structure, see if we can pick up another trout. It's been a little bit difficult for a while. I've had a couple of follows, but no bites. Let's go for a walk. There you go, Dad's on the board. 1 fish. Yes, mate.
Oh, missed him. Missed him.
Oh, there was like 4 of them there that went for it. Changed up fly again, and we're going to go fish in a new location. We're going to try over on a different lake, right against one of the sides, casting it into some structure. Oh, oh, yes! That was, missed that one twice. That was ridiculous. Missed it twice. Crystal clear water like that as well. Came back several times. I hope that you'll be able to see that on the camera. That is absolute killer. That is fish number 4 that I've just lost. Killer. All of this overhanging branches would be great for beetles coming down. big trout there. Big trout. I might go for a bloodworm, see if that big trout will go for it. That is a absolutely humongous trout down there. I'm thinking it's an elephant eats peanuts situation. And what I'm going to do is just change it out for a bit of bloodworm, which is what the fly is called, not bait. So that just locks nice juicy bit of bloodworm in the water. And hopefully, fingers crossed, that'll get the big one. Just another one. Nice take. That was a really nice take. Very active fish. That's number 3 for the day. Beautiful. We've got a 6 fish ticket, so we can keep on fishing. Go for another one. Try and find a brown trout, hopefully. Underneath these trees, there'll be little beetles falling into the water, so this is the perfect sort of fly that you want underneath structure, like overhanging trees. See if we can find another one. After a couple more hours, we managed to land ourselves 2 more fish, headed off home, cleaned up the fish and chucked them in the oven just the way that I like it. I love eating rainbow trout skin, just with some lime, pepper and salt on. Chuck them in the oven. Hope you've enjoyed this one. Just a nice trip back to England for me and Becky. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.